That's what happens when you put your kids on a video like that. Thank you so much to Goodwill Industries International and my home Goodwill of Central and Southern Indiana. I am incredibly honored and humbled to be standing before you today receiving this prestigious award. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Goodwill and the Excel Center for this incredible recognition. This award is not only a testament to my personal journey, but it also symbolizes the collective efforts of an amazing team and the unwavering support of remarkable individuals who have played a pivotal role in my life. To Kent Kramer, Betsy Delgado, Jessamine Jones, Chris Deckard, Shelley Ashley, and all of those who have been instrumental in the development of KLR Medical Certification Training School, I extend my heartfelt thanks. Your expertise, guidance, and belief in our mission have been a driving force behind our success. A special shout out goes to Miriam Henry, my first math teacher at the Excel Center, whose support, friendship, and encouragement have been invaluable to me throughout the years. From variables and algebraic expressions to late night phone calls that have encouraged and grown me throughout this journey, and gentle reminders along the way to maintain a good work-life balance, Miriam, you have been a constant source of inspiration, and I'm forever grateful for your unwavering beliefs in my abilities. I want to take a moment to acknowledge my incredible sons, Joshua and Daniel. Thank you for your patience as you sat with me through classes and found ways to encourage me that only children can. You both have been my pillars of strength, motivating me to overcome every obstacle and reach for the stars. And your faith in me has given me the courage to pursue my dreams, and for that I am eternally grateful. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to Danny Riegelsberger for his unending support. Danny, thank you for your belief in my vision and for standing by my side and always championing my endeavors. I must also recognize the extraordinary KLR team. Your hard work, dedication, and commitment to our students have made our organization what it is today. Together, we have built a platform that empowers individuals to excel and thrive. Lastly, as I stand here today, I am reminded of the extraordinary journey that has led me to this moment. Growing up with parents who were drug addicts and alcoholics, and becoming a mother at the age of 13 and again at 18, I could never have fathomed that I would be standing here today, honored for my contributions and positioned to make a meaningful difference in the world. This journey has taught me that with determination, resilience, and unwavering support, anyone can overcome the odds and achieve greatness. I am deeply grateful for this recognition and for the opportunity to make a positive difference in the lives of individuals who need it most. So, let's continue to work together, empowering and inspiring those around us to believe that they too can conquer the seemingly insurmountable, that they too can do hard things. Thank you all once again for this honor.